Conjunction and its kinds. Conjunctions are words that join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. For example, we saw a lion and they saw a monkey. 2 and 3 make 4. The treasure was hidden in the cave or in the room. Take an umbrella when you go out. In these sentences, and, or, and when are conjunctions because these are used for connecting two sentences. There are three main kinds of conjunction, like coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. First one is coordinating conjunction. It joins two sentences of equal rank. For example, my grandmother is old but she is healthy. I was hungry, so I ate to my pizza. She is poor, yet she is honest. You can see in these sentences but, so, and yet are coordinating conjunction. There is also an easy formula to remember coordinating conjunction, which is FANSBOYS. I have already made a video on this topic, so you can watch it on my YouTube channel. I will also mention its link in description. Now, subordinating conjunction. These conjunctions are used to join an independent clause with a dependent clause. For example, please phone me when you go there. You can see these are two clauses. The first one is please phone me, which is independent, and the second one is when you go there, which is dependent clause. Now, here is an important note is this. If the dependent clause that begins with a coordinating conjunction comes before the independent clause, then put a comma after the dependent clause. Like these type of clauses. Let's see examples of subordinating conjunction. Wait here till they come back. I will help home if he comes to me. Run fast, otherwise you will miss the bus. In these clauses, till, if, and otherwise are subordinating conjunction. Now, correlative conjunction. These conjunctions are simply pairs of conjunctions used in a sentence to join different words or groups of words in a sentence together. For example, he can neither read nor write. She is not only wise but also hardworking. Although it was raining, yet they played football. You can see in these sentences neither and nor are pair of conjunctions which is correlative, and only and also, although and yet are correlative conjunctions. Now, here is an amazing story which is based on conjunction and its kinds. Let's recognize. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there lived a princess named Isabella. She was beautiful but always sleepy. The king and queen were worried because she would sleep all day long. They called the best doctors so that they could find a cure, but nothing worked. One day, a wise old woman visited the castle and told the king, the princess will wake up if she hears the melody of the enchanted harp. The king searched for the harp yet could not find it. Meanwhile, a brave prince named Leo heard about the princess's deep sleep, so he decided to help. He traveled through dark forests and climbed high mountains until he reached a hidden cave. Inside, he found the enchanted harp, which was guarded by a fierce dragon. The dragon roared, but Leo did not give up. He played a lullaby on his flute, so the dragon fell asleep. He quickly grabbed the harp and returned to the castle. The moment he played the harp, the princess opened her eyes as if she had never been asleep. The kingdom rejoiced and the king thanked Leo. The princess, now wide awake, smiled at Leo for he had saved her. They became great friends, and in time they ruled the kingdom wisely. Moral: sometimes patience and determination can break even the deepest sleep.